Hello and welcome back to this new section where we're going to be talking about Apple's newest on-device LLM called Foundation Models. So on DevTechie.com, we have posted many resources on foundation models, and basically these courses and resources are there for you to take a deep dive into how the whole foundation model works and how you can build apps around foundation models in use on device LLM for various different purposes. So before we start looking into what we're gonna build, let me show you where you can find these resources. So if you go to devtechie.com and you click on all courses, you're gonna basically land on this screen where we have a few courses. So first of all, it's going to start with getting started with Apple Foundation Models. And this one basically gets you started with what Apple Intelligence and Foundation Models is. How does it work with the newly introduced features like the playground, and how do you create your prompts? How do you stream responses from LLM, and what are the capabilities that you have that you get with foundation models? From there, you'll build your first Gen AI app using on-device LLM. So you're going to finish this course and then you're going to move on to the next course, which talks about the session management. This one builds upon the previous course, and this essentially takes you a little bit more deep into how the whole text, text-based Gen AI aspects work for Apple Foundation Model. And you're going to basically build apps. For example, you're going to build a text summarization app that'll give you insight into the same model that's being used by the Apple Intelligence on your Apple Silicon powered devices. So how do they do the kind of text summarization work is what you're gonna leverage and do for your own app, so you can leverage all the capabilities directly inside your app. So you're gonna learn in that basically how to do the text summarization. Then you're gonna talk basically about how to do a conversational AI, how to build a chatbot kind of interface, and how to interact with the model, and what are the things that you gotta do to maintain your sessions, and how do you get the session history to make sure that your conversation with the chatbot keep going even when you hit a snag where your model ran out of memory. So there are constraints that you have to deal with, and how to work around those constraints and create a good user experience for your apps. We're gonna talk about prompts, instructions, and we're gonna build another app, a travel assistant app, and you're gonna get full source code for all of this. From here, you're gonna go into a advanced level course. This is the most advanced, and this talks about more in-depth features, features that'll actually fill or get you ready for your to use these Apple Foundation models inside your apps. And you're gonna build bunch of apps, like 6 or 7 apps you're gonna build. And basically you're gonna talk about how to handle multiple prompts and multiple responses. You're gonna generate an essay generator app. You're gonna basically learn about streaming responses. You're gonna you're gonna learn how to use Apple Foundation models inside your own custom apps without exposing the chat kind of interface. So you're gonna build an app for that. You're gonna talk about capabilities, limitations that foundation model has, and then you're gonna basically jump into something called guided generation. Guide your LLM to create something that is completely tailored for your own app, for your own data structure. So you're gonna define the data structure, make sure your LLM follows that data structure, and fulfill all the requirement that your data structure wants, and LLM actually generates data for you. So you're going to learn that, and from that learning you're going to build a travel destination app, and you're going to take a deep dive with another app. Then you're going to learn how to stream responses with partially generated response. And the most advanced feature that you're going to look at, which is going to be the last topic before we close this course, is called tool calling. Basically filling the gap between the LLM's knowledge and the world knowledge. And this is basically, if you've heard about MCP protocol or model context protocol, this is what Apple's answer to MCP is with tool calling. So you're gonna build your own tool, and you're gonna basically then build an app leveraging that tool. Your model will understand how to use the tool, and then it will basically bring that experience directly inside your app. So you're going to build a weather app calling different APIs. Now, completing this course will get you equipped with what all you can do for your own app using on-device LLM, using Apple Foundation models. Build apps with Apple Intelligence. So once you've done all that, you're going to be ready to move on to new topics, build your own apps, integrate intelligence into your app. Now, one last thing I want to touch upon is there is a machine learning in iOS course that's also available. This is a soft prerequisite, but this one goes much more detail into the traditional AI. So Gen AI is used for generating new content, but what to do for the classification, for identification, right? All those things are covered in this course. How do you do object detection? And how do you detect hand pose? You build multiple apps in this. So this is a very detailed course, making sure you learn the machine learning for iOS and Apple platforms. So this is a soft prerequisite. If you would like to take it, I would highly encourage you. Okay, so these are the things that you're gonna basically find resources for on DevTechie.com, along with a bunch of other stuff that will actually upskill you for your job, for your apps, for your business. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and move on to the topic that we have in hand today, and that is building a chatbot using on-device LLM and Apple Foundation models. So this is what we're going to be building, and we are going to basically start with this simple chat interface, and you can ask a question to your chatbot. And now let's go ahead and ask, tell me about Japan. Okay, and then it'll generate a response, and as it's generating the response, it'll stream that response back to us. And notice that all the responses are basically formatted. Okay, and we are going to be using iOS 26 for this. So you're going to see Glass UI, and you can keep on going. You can ask question, what's the best time to visit? And I'm not going to ask basically Japan, because it should understand the context and it should tell me about Japan itself. So you can see that on-device model is very intelligent. It understands the context, it understands what we've been talking about, and it is capable of carrying that conversation forward. So you can keep going and keep asking questions, and it'll build plan for you. For example, build travel plan for spring. Okay, and now this will basically first think about what to do, and it'll create a week by week travel plan to Japan. Okay, and it'll also give you some tips and tricks. So this is what we are going to be building in this section. So if you're excited, let's go ahead and hop on to the next video where we're gonna get started. I'll see you guys there. Thank you.